The first Central Asian Innovation Day took place on November 14 this year in Astana. Its main purpose is to strengthen interaction between the universities and industry, using the innovative methods in promoting digital transformation in various industries and creating new digitalized Silk Road. Innovation Day's theme explored the way to digital Silk Road.
Huawei Central Asia Innovation Day, Huawei innovatsiyalar kuni.
More than 150 representatives of industrial elite, scholars, representatives of state bodies, analysts, scientists and media from 11 Eurasian countries are invited to the event. It includes main presentation, panel discussions and exhibition to create an open platform for communication, in-depth study of the relationship between information and communication technologies and economic development of countries, industrial innovations and successful projects. According to Huawei's report published in Global Connectivity Index 2017 results, progress of global digital economy is accelerating, and the total score of GCI increased by 4 points compared to 2015. This shows that ICTs are becoming an important driver of the economic growth. Authors of report concluded that increase in capital investments of ICT infrastructure by 10% every year from 2017 to 2025 can give a multiple increase in other areas. Each additional dollar invested in ICT infrastructure can pay off with $3 of GDP growth already today. In digital transformation process, no company can be alone. It is necessary to participate in new ecosystem of digital transformation for the realization of common success.
You need a certain level of basic ICT internet infrastructure. But then the second and perhaps even more important step following that, you need to have a regulatory regime that opens up for new companies to enter in and take advantage of these new IT services capabilities, these new abilities to connect on the internet. That means that the government regulation needs to ensure a level playing field.
The event is attended by leadership of energy, transport, financial and telecommunications industries. They share their experience and tell about progress in digital transformations, show achievements in digital Kazakhstan's construction. Talents play an important role in studying the uncertainty of future of intellectual society. In future, Huawei intends to establish partnership with Central Asian universities and research organizations for providing intellectual support to accelerate digital transformation in region.
Kazakhstan is one of the leaders, but a number of countries are lagging behind. And even a leading country like Kazakhstan, when you compare them to the leading countries in the world, such as South Korea or Japan or the United States. So there's still a long way to go. So progress has been made and is being made, but really requires leaders and policymakers to do even more.
Huawei will launch Seeds for the Future global program for the first time in Kazakhstan, sowing seeds of ICT industry development. This project will provide even broader platform for university students to help them improve their professional skills, expand international vision, inspire them to research and create, the driving force behind the future of intellectual society.